welcome to the another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the Polygonal Lasso tool, how to make a selection. So as you can see on my screen, I have a picture already placed. So in this image, I need to remove this tool. So for that, I'll be using a very good tool over here towards my left hand side. If you see on the toolbar, I have a Polygonal Lasso tool. Now Polygonal Lasso tool is going to help me to crop any geometrical shape form. You can remove any shape with the help of this tool. So this is a tool which gives me a liberty to crop any sort of or any shape because it's really free and it's really handy. So how you're going to use is you just need to make a selection. First I'll go to my zoom tool. I'll click on my zoom. I'll click on my magnifier zoom tool and I'll drag it towards my left hand side. Once done, I'll go to my Polygonal Lasso tool and I will try to trace it out as you do with a pencil. Just make sure that you are cropping it properly. You just need to capture all the outlines. You can just imagine that you are going to draw the border for this. So just keeping in that mind, you have to make sure that you are making it properly and you need to understand the concept and crop it properly. So over here, what I'm trying to do is I am really having a good patience because patience is very much necessary when you are trying to crop any delicate shape. So I'm about to complete. I'll go down. Also, in case you made certain errors and you need to correct it. So for example, if I selected some area which I don't want. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'll just press a backspace and I will sort out my errors. When you press a backspace, what happens? It takes you one step behind and you can crop that. So I'm making a selection. Another thing, it also depends whether you want a soft selection or a hard selection. Now what is a soft selection and a hard selection? Soft selections where you will have a very hard edge. So when you try to mix the image which you have cropped with another, it might look fake. So you can always select a proper background so that it tries to matches out, or else if not, you can always try for feather. So as you can see on the tool property also, I got a feather option. Now what is feather, how we are going to use that, I'll show you that in some of the other episodes. Now once you are completed with the selection, it will give an anchor point to you. As you can see, there's a circle on my cursor. It means it is near the node and you will join it. Once it is done, you got your selection. Now, as I told you, you can add and subtract. So I have certain errors in mind, so I can always go and subtract and remove the extra edges which I don't want. Also, if you have forgotten to add something and you need to recorrect it, you can always go and add it. Okay, once you're done with the selection, what you're going to do over here on the layer panel, you got one option known as mask. You just need to make a click on this and here's your object. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.